Why not?
Sorry.
Why not?
I can't let you go at my work.
Why not?
You know what? You know why I have feet?
Why do you have feet?
Because I'm a girl.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I can do this, see? And I can put it back where it puts arms.
Huh.
And snacks, too.
Really?
Sorry. I can't stay. I need to put... You know what?
What?
You said that, but I feel like you...
Jasmine, come back. Jasmine,
Look.
you look really pretty in your dress, Jasmine. Wow. Jasmine,
Look.
you look really pretty in your dress.
Thank you. Look.
Wow.
There we go.
What's that?
It's my movie I watched.